I want to go on a series of rants for you that I think are going to be really valuable if you've ever thought about making passive income. The main rant I want to go on with you is the lie of that if you work a 9-to-5 job, you're an absolute piece of shit failure and you're good for nothing, you suck, everyone should be working passive income. I want to give you some open-minded thoughts in this Fastback Friday, guys, about 9-to-5s, about passive income, and about earning your freedom. I do want to give this big, massive caveat that you will not hear in other videos. This is like blasphemy. I can't believe he just said that. Why don't you get a 9-to-5 job? If you want to travel, sometimes it's easier to save up money by actually getting a frickin' side hustle, dude. Think about how much work it goes into building a business. Building a business to say you want freedom is like saying you want a kid, a newborn baby, because you want it to take care of you. It's gonna take care of you when it's like 40 and you're 70, but for the first 20 years, you're taking care of that thing. It's the same thing with a business. Get a job, dude. Work as a bartender on the weekends. You can make $70K a year as a bartender, okay, if you're in a major city. Even drive for Uber and save that money directly into a travel fund and then quit your job and go travel for a couple months. That's fine. And here's the second mini rant on that with you guys, because I'm just giving you the real stuff that all these videos talking about make money online and like flashing Lambos and stuff like that, they won't tell you. You don't have an off mode with your business. I don't care what you do. If it's drop shipping or e-commerce or YouTube or online courses, things are always going to be happening in your business behind the scenes that takes you away from the present moment. So really ask yourself, do you want the stress of being a business owner? Or is it more worth it to you to be in the present moment? I think it's really important, dude, because people get into this with unrealistic expectations. Like they're gonna build a business in 12 months that gives them $100K a year without them being there. That's the biggest fucking lie I've ever come across, is how can I build a business that doesn't let me be there online in 12 months? Like, that does not exist. And if you find something that exists like that, let me know, because I'll gladly trade places with that, okay? And so what people are really getting at with how can I build a business that I don't have to be there with is how can I build a business without working? They're afraid of work. They're afraid of like hard work and dedication, which is stuff that sounds so like, oh, this sucks, oh, hard work, dedication. But like, what in life that's worth it doesn't take work? Oh, I want a relationship that I don't have to work in. How's that gonna work out? Oh, I want kids that I don't have to work at. Oh, I want a body that I don't have to work at. Okay, play Fortnite and eat Cheetos. There's a body you don't have to work at. So don't be afraid of work, guys. Just work on the right things. Work on something you're passionate about. So if you want to build a business that you're super passionate about, you've already won while you're building that business. You think I hate filming YouTube videos? No, I love it. We get to drive in a badass car with friends on a Friday, talking about cool topics and stuff. I'm excited about that. That's awesome. I've won, no matter how much money it makes. When you're doing something you're passionate about, you've already won, regardless of how much money it makes. That is the real goal with freedom, is escaping the 9-to-5 trap of something you're not passionate in. Not necessarily building this business where you Scrooge McDuck into a gold swimming pool full of coins. You've already won if you're doing something you're passionate about. That is the message with this Fastback Friday. Don't listen to all these people who are talking about, oh, build an automated business where you don't have to be there. No, do something you're passionate about, and then you've already essentially retired.